In this module, we'll discuss cryptography. But what exactly is cryptography, or crypto as some people call it? It's the practice of communicating in an insecure environment or adversarial environment. Cryptography derives from the Greek words secret writing. It means that only someone in the know, or someone with the key, can unlock the message. Let's take a look at the following diagram. Alice and Bob wish to communicate. They are in their own secure environments, but they want to communicate with each other remotely, over an insecure line. However, for reasons which may or may not be known to Alice and Bob, there are people that wish to intercept this communication and use it against them. We'll call these people adversaries. So given this situation, what would Alice and Bob do? Well, they could lock the message in some way so it can't be read while traveling over the insecure line. This locking of the message is encryption. Now let's back up and define some common crypto terms. First, we have plain text, also known as clear text, which is simply the message to be sent. A message such as "Crypto Talk, 6 p.m. at Xavier." Now, as we saw with the lock, if we want to protect this message, we'll encrypt it. Encryption is the transformation of the message in such a way that it is protected from adversaries. And a cipher is the specific algorithm to accomplish this. A specific type of encryption we see today is the AES, or the Advanced Encryption Standard. If we encrypt the plain text, the result is ciphertext. For example, if we took the message "Crypto Talk 6 p.m. at Xavier" and encrypted it, the result would be the following random strings of characters. I like to call this the 5-finger hitting the keyboard cipher. If we revert the ciphertext back to the original plain text, this process is called decryption. A crypto system is a system associated with the encryption and decryption process. An example of this system, which we'll be talking about later, is pretty good privacy. Now, the process of breaking a crypto system is called cryptanalysis, and it is both an art and a science. I would actually lean towards saying it is an art because many times these systems are broken in an indirect way. Another term is attack, and that is simply the process of using cryptanalysis to break or try to break a crypto system. Generally speaking, there are two types of crypto systems today: secret key and public key crypto systems. Encryption with a codec program. Here, codec is defined as a compression and decompression program. For example, the zipping program 7-zip. So let's look at an Alice and Bob example. Again, Alice and Bob are within their own secure environment but wish to communicate over an insecure communication line. Alice will take her message or file and zip it using 7-zip, which can encrypt the zip file. Compression actually helps secure the encrypted message from certain forms of cryptanalysis. Now, just like the lock, when the message is encrypted, it is locked with a key. The message is secured or locked with Alice's key and passed over the communication line to be unlocked by Bob's key. In this case, they use a secret key or password to unlock and lock the file, or to encrypt and decrypt. They both know this password.